soundproof any room with the Sound Lock Soundproof Door. This up to STC 56 door is a beautiful addition to any room. It's a true wood door, and we can do just about any type of wood species, whether it's oak, maple, walnut, cherry. We can customize it to just about any wood that's needed. The door has a triple latch system for better soundproofing and additional security. The Sound Lock door has all sorts of customization options. We can do just about any size of door. We can even do double doors, and it still maintain that high STC rating and keep that beautiful wood finish. The door is ready to be painted or stained, and so it can look great in any room. We can do any wall thickness, whether you need a wall that's 6 inches thick or 12 inches thick, it does not matter. We can make a soundproof door customized to your wall to perfectly fit and create an awesome looking soundproof environment. We can do view windows. We have 4 different sizes of view windows depending on what kind of a window you want. And we put a true soundproof window using our True Acoustics technology into the door so you maintain that high STC rating. The Sound Lock Soundproof Door is designed and built right here in the United States. We have 3 different handle set styles and 8 different colors so the Sound Lock Soundproof Door can look great in whatever design space you have. We also can do custom hardware if that's what you prefer. And we can make it extremely fast. It takes us 4 weeks to make this door and then get it shipped to you so you have a completely custom door and a faster timeline than you can get from anyone else. We build a custom crate in order to protect your door in transit. Once you've received your door, everything that you need will be inside the crate for the easiest possible installation on the job site. This is a beautiful wood door that you can easily install that is more cost effective than any other door out there that you can buy. The STC 56 door is pre-hung, pre-assembled, the jamb seals are already on it, the bottom seal is already on it. All you gotta do is lift it into the rough opening and do some basic install steps, and you've got a soundproof door that you can be proud of.